If you want to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A17, then we have a couple of ways to do so. You can, for example, press the power button and volume down button at the same time, like this. If you press both of these buttons, you will capture a screenshot. Besides that, you can also use your hand, and with a gesture, we can also perform a full screenshot. So, place your hand like this, and you can swipe from left to the right, or from right to the left on the screen, like so. You can just gently touch it with your pinky finger. And in case that gesture is not working for you, we can open Settings, scroll down to Advanced Features, and then over here go to Screenshot and Gestures, and then make sure that this option is enabled, palm swipe to capture. And there is also one more way. You can go to Quick Settings, and over here in this section, in this panel, we can add Take Screenshot button. By default, it is not added, so we have to press on this pen icon over here in the top right corner and go to Edit, and then in Available Buttons, you should be able to find the button, so you can add it to the list just by simply tapping on it, for example, and then we can press Done in the top right corner and use this button in order to take a screenshot. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.